Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rearrange blocks in Notion. Rearranging blocks in Notion is straightforward and allows you to customize the layout and structure of your page. And here is how you can get that done. First, you need to navigate to the page. That's go to the page where you want to rearrange blocks. I actually have my page in here, but I want to go to an existing page. That's Notion Tags and Project Manager. So let's say this is where I want to go. Then the next thing is to hover over the block. So move your cursor over the block you want to move. So let's say this is a block I want to move. A small handle that's six dot icon will appear to the left of the block. This is more like three dots. All right, so you can click and hold. All right, so go ahead and click and hold the handle, then drag the block to its position. As you drag, a blue outline will show where the block will be placed. So release the mouse button to drop the block in the desired location. So let's just get that. Let's just fix that. So this 5 fingers rather are actually going to help us do that. So let's hold the block and hold it onto the 5 fingers just displayed. See, for moving that, you see that has been moved to in progress. So I can move it back to this. So I can also move this under review and then remove, and that has already changed. So you can also move down to this, and everything under done has been moved here as well. So once you see that finger, just go ahead and hold and drag and drop to just rearrange your blocks. So that's it. So for some, you can see the small handle, there's a 6 dot icon, which is going to help you, or you can see the 5 fingers, which actually displayed in my or on my screen. So just drag the block to its new location, and then that's it. So once you drag, just release the mouse. Then you can also hover over the block and click, all right, the 3 dots menu. So you can click on 3 dots menu to access the menu option for each of the block. So over here you have this that says hide group or delete pages, and click on here. You have this move to, and you have, so you can actually click on this move to move the direction. You can just go ahead and just move this to whatever you want. So I can go ahead and click on any other. So here I have title. Here I have title. You can see this 6 dot handle, which is here. So the 6 dot handle is actually displayed here, but it's not displayed there. Now you can click on the 6 dots and you can use any of the options over here, and the options here are actually not clear enough, right? So you can just either click, if you click on insert left or insert right, it means you actually want to create something new. So you can go ahead and click on the 6 dots handle over here and click on delete, because I do not want that. So with this 6 dot handle, I can just swipe and just keep on swiping with the 6 dot handle, because if you click on the 3 dots handle or the 3 dots menu, you will not find an option for you to actually move. But then you can just hold the 6 dots handle and just keep moving and keep moving. That way you will be able to rearrange blocks in Notion. All right, so by following the steps, you can easily rearrange blocks in Notion to customize and organize your pages effectively. effectively. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.